In this quick video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to convert number to barcode in Excel. Barcodes are used in many places, and today I'll show you how to generate standard barcodes that can be scanned using any barcode reader. So let's get started. Generating a barcode in Excel is a quite straightforward process. All we need is a code containing numbers or letters. Let's go over the process using 3 examples. First, we need to make sure that the column containing the codes is formatted as text. This is important because some codes start with 0 and formatting it as text ensure they display correctly. So to convert a code into a barcode, we need to enclose it in a brackets in a specific way. Here's how. Click on the cell where you want to generate the barcode, type an equal sign, then enter a quotation mark, an opening bracket, another quotation mark, then type AND. Next, type the cell reference that contains the code, which is B2 in this case. So we just need to select the cell, add another AND, then quotation mark, close the bracket. Now add another quotation mark, then hit enter, and that's it. Now copy this formula down to the other rows by dragging the bottom right corner of the cell till to the cell you want barcodes. The final step is to change the font of the barcode column. For that, under Home tab, change your font to ID Automation SC38M. Once you do this, the text will instantly transform into a barcode, and this method is dynamic, meaning that if you change the code in column B, the barcode in column C will update automatically. For example, if I change 123 to 789, then it will be updated automatically on my barcode column. Before you convert your numbers to barcode, make sure that you have this ID Automation font installed on your computer. Most probably you won't have this font. So to get this font, go to the Google or any web browser and search here ID Automation free barcode font. Once you search it, go to the first website and under it we'll see the barcode font which we needed, and from here we need to click on download now and it will download the font in your PC. So if I go to the downloads folder, you can see the font is here. I just need to open the font in a folder, extract the folder because it is a zip file. Once you extract it, go to the idautomation.com free code 39 font, and now you can see both the fonts are here. We just need to right click on it and then click on install, and then the font will be installed on your computer, and you can use this font in any of your Microsoft Office or any softwares you want. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.